Is your Windows showing not activated? Today, I'll show you 2 quick ways to activate Windows for 180 days. One using command prompt and another using an automatic batch file. First, search for command prompt and open it as administrator. Type this. You can get this command in the descriptions if you want. This will install the generic KMS Client Key for Windows 10 or 11 Pro. Now, set the KMS server to kms8.msguides.com. This shows it's successfully set to KMS server. Finally, activate Windows using this command. Type now this command. And that's it. Windows is now activated for 180 days and will renew automatically. Let's see if it really worked. Look at that, it worked. Now, here's an even faster way, using a one-click batch file. Press Windows+R and type Notepad. You can copy this script from descriptions and paste it into the Notepad. Save the file as activate-windows.bat and choose All Files as the type. Right-click the file and run it as administrator. It will install the key, connect to the KMS server, and activate Windows automatically. Windows is now activated. Both methods work the same, so choose whichever you like. That's it. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more quick Windows fixes, and save this for later.